Okay, so the first thing that needs to be done is to collect your media. And normally this is your JPEGs. You can also have an MP4 file in there, but collect it and then sequence it so that you can reference by name the different items, and also if you'd like to have a logo in between sets of these images, you can have a logo available. Now once you have your images collected, you'll come into the program and you'll import the media. And you can hit Control A, open, and all your media will show up in the clip bin. From there, it's very simple. Just drag your logo if you want to open with your logo. It will ask you for a size, and you should have a size that will fit your monitor. In this instance, we're going to use 1920 by 1080, which is HD quality, a black background. Hit OK. And when you drag your first piece of media, you'll also notice that the duration is 5 seconds. Then you can take your other media, another one, and a third. These are all in the same set that I'm looking to put together. Push them all against each other. Then take your logo again, push that in, then start with the next set. Drag them all down, push them in, then your logo again, squeeze that in there, and two other items just to finish things up. You're not going to need a logo at the end, because when we set this up to run on the Raspberry Pi digital sign module, as soon as it finishes here, it's going to start over again, so you won't need to put a logo at the end. Once you've completed this, it's very simple. All you need to do is produce and share. And you'll produce it as an MP4. Actually, you'll produce it in 1080p. This should already be set up for you. Hit next. Save it with a title that you like and a location that you like. We're going to save this to the desktop for the moment, and we're going to call this RPI Signage Tutorial. This is going to render the video, and we'll come right back. So once your movie is created, you'll automatically get a window popping up showing you the content of your slideshow, and at that point you can check it to make sure it looks good, has the logos right where you want them, and make sure that everything looks good. When you go back to your program, you can actually hit finish, and if everything is good, I would recommend taking this, saving the project under a specific name, and you'll be able to save it as a project if you ever need to open it up again. I would also recommend exporting the project as a zip file, and what that will do is create a zip file. It'll contain all of the media in the clip bin that you've used, and you'll be able to go back and port the project from one machine to the other if you have the software installed. And that's it. You have your movie created. Now we just need to add some demuxing so that it will run on the digital sign module. So once you have the slideshow produced using the Camtasia Media program, you'll go find that. You'll find that media and you'll open that. Now, once that slideshow is opened in the program AVI Demux, you're going to first change the video output to MPEG-4 x264, then configure that you're going to use the rate control called constant quantizer single pass, and move the slider down to somewhere between 0 and 5. The lower the number, the better the quality. Then you'll hit OK. Your output format is going to be video only, and save your movie. I would recommend saving it in the same folder and give it the extension H264. Hit save. It'll process, and when this is complete, you'll have your final product, which you can then copy to a properly formatted FAT32 thumb drive, put it in the Raspberry Pi, and you'll have everything just the way you like it.